Hello, welcome to Math Focus. How to solve for n in this equation: n square minus n raised to power 3 is equal to 36. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Solution. We have the given equation: n square minus n raised to power 3 is equal to 36. Then let's bring this 36 to this side. This is n square minus n raised to power 3 minus 36 is equal to 0. But 36 is equal to 27 plus 9. And this is same thing as 3 raised to power 3 plus 3 square. Therefore, minus 36 will now be minus 3 raised to power 3 minus 3 square. So let us replace this 36 by this. Then we have n square minus n raised to power 3 minus 3 raised to power 3 minus 3 square is equal to 0. Let us pair this to this and then this to this. We have n square minus 3 square minus this n raised to power 3. This will be plus 3 raised to power 3 is equal to 0. Now take note of this, that if you have a square minus b squared, this is in form of perfect square, which is equal to a plus b bracket a minus b. Then if you have a raised to power 3 plus b raised to power 3, this is equal to a plus b bracket a square minus ab plus b square is equal to 0. Then where a is equal to n and b is equal to 3. So this can be written as n plus 3 bracket n minus 3, then minus, this is n plus 3 bracket n square minus 3 multiplied by n plus 3 square bracket is equal to 0. Then you can see that here n plus 3 is common and n plus 3 is here. Let's bring it out. This is n plus 3 bracket. If you divide the whole of this by n plus 3, we have n minus 3. Then minus, if you divide the whole of this by this n plus 3, we have n square minus 3n plus 3 square is equal to 0. So here we have n plus 3 bracket n minus 3. Let us open this bracket with this negative. We have minus times this n square, that is minus n square, minus times minus 3n, this is plus 3n, minus times plus 3 square, that is minus 3 square, is equal to 0. Then here we have n plus 3 bracket. This is minus n square. Then n plus 3n, that is plus 4n. Then this is minus 3 minus 3 square. Minus 3 square, that is minus 9. Then minus 3, that is minus 12, is equal to 0. So from here, there are two cases here. The first case is n plus 3 is equal to 0. And the second case is minus n square plus 4n minus 12 is equal to 0. Now, from here, n is equal to minus 3. This is the first value of n. Then from here, let us divide the whole of this equation by minus 1. So if you divide the whole of, so let us divide the whole of this equation by minus 1. If you divide the whole of this equation by minus 1, we have minus n squared divided by minus 1. This is n squared. Then plus 4n divided by minus 1. This is minus 4n. Minus 12 divided by minus 1. This is plus 12, equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation which can be solved using quadratic general formula. And a quadratic general formula in this form is given as n is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Then from this equation, a is equal to 1, b equal to minus 4, c is equal to 12. Then from here, n is equal to minus bracket minus 4 plus or minus square root of minus 4 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 12 over 2 multiplied by 1. N is equal to minus times minus 4. This is 4 plus or minus square root of minus 4 square, that is 16, minus 4 times 1 times 12, that is minus 48 over 2. And this is the same thing as 4 plus or minus square root of 16 minus 48, that is minus 32 over 2. N is equal to 4 plus or minus square root of minus 32 can be written as square root of 16 multiplied by 2 multiplied by minus 1 over 2. This is same thing as 4 plus or minus square root of 16, that is 4. Square root of minus 1 is I, then root 2 over 2. So here we have n is equal to 4 over 2 plus or minus 4i over 2 root 2. 2 here, 1, 2 here, 2. 2 here, 1, 2 here, 2. N is equal to 2 plus or minus 2i root 2. This is other value of n. Therefore, our final answer are n1 is equal to minus 3, n2 is equal to 2 plus 2i root 2. Then n3 is equal to 2 minus 2I root 2. These are the values of n. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. You can see that from here we have one real root and two complex root. Well, we need to confirm this using this real root. Now, to check, we have the given equation n squared minus n raised to power 3 is equal to 36 if n is equal to minus 3. This is minus 3 square minus bracket minus 3 raised to power 3 must be equal to 36. Then minus 3 square, this is 9 minus 3 raised to power 3, that is minus 27, must be equal to 36. This is 9 minus times minus 27, this is plus 27, must be equal to 36. Then 9 plus 27, this is 36, is equal to 36, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.